How to choose an air duct cleaning company. Air duct cleaning companies are responsible for eliminating dust and other potentially harmful elements that can build up inside the air ducts of your home's cooling or heating system. If you need your air ducts cleaned, you may want to seek an air duct cleaning company that has specific knowledge, qualifications, and experience to ensure your home is properly cleaned and left uncontaminated. This article provides details on how to best choose an air duct cleaning company. Steps. 1. Research the background and experience of air duct cleaning companies. Ask companies how long they have been in business to determine their experience with cleaning air ducts. If the company itself is newer to the air duct cleaning business, ask the employees about their prior experience. Ask companies for referrals from past clients to see if customers were satisfied with their service. You may also ask your friends, neighbors, or other homeowners for recommendations or referrals for air duct cleaning companies. If you have internet access, you may want to visit air duct cleaning company websites to read more about how long they have been in business, along with customer feedback or testimonials. 2. Verify if the air duct cleaning company has a good standing and minimum customer complaints with the consumer affairs organization in your country or area. Call the Council of Better Business Bureaus in the United States at 703-276-0100 or in Canada at 514-905-3893 for inquiries or to find a local Better Business Bureau (BBB) location. You may also visit the BBB website listed in the sources section of this article to research a business or find a local BBB location in your area. 3. Determine if the air duct cleaning company has insurance. Speak to air duct cleaning companies about reimbursement costs and insurance if your home or personal property is damaged during the cleaning process. 4. Check to see if the air duct cleaning company is part of the National Air Duct Cleaners Association, NADCA. Companies that are certified by NADCA are trained and in compliance to properly and safely evaluate, clean, and restore heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems. Call NADCA at 856-380-6810 or visit their website, www.nadca.com, listed in the sources section of this article to determine if an air duct cleaning company is in good standing. 5. Contact NADCA or an official from your government to determine if your state or local area requires air duct cleaning companies to have a professional license. 6. Determine if the air duct cleaning company will use chemical treatments or chemical bio-acids in your home. These types of treatment will prevent the future growth of biological matter in your air ducts but may also be harmful to your health. If you decide to hire an air duct cleaning company that uses chemical products, ask them to show you the product label so you can read and verify its instructions for proper use. 7. Verify and compare services offered by each air duct cleaning company. Air duct cleaning companies should inspect your system for existing asbestos because it may require them to use specialized cleaning procedures. These companies should take measures to protect you and your pets from contamination as well as cover and protect your carpet and household belongings. Air duct cleaning companies should properly seal and insulate any holes they may have created during the cleaning process. 8. Verify all rates and fees charged by the air duct cleaning company. Get an estimate to determine if the company will charge you by the hour or by the procedure so you are aware of potential costs. Obtain a copy of a written agreement that outlines all costs and fees associated with the services to avoid future potential disputes. Call at least 3 different companies to compare rates before you make a decision. 9. Determine how long it will take the company to clean your air ducts. You may want to make plans to leave the house or make special arrangements if the cleaning will take several hours, several days, or if the service will be split up over a series of days. Warnings. Do not use companies who claim they are certified by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, because the EPA does not endorse, approve, or certify air duct cleaning companies.